Hello everyone, welcome back to Nerd Daily Video. Today, I'm going to be ranking all the Japan parties. So yeah, into it. You know what, I'm just gonna change it to number 10. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna be honest, I joined in like 2 pounds, 13. Okay, so Pole Party is actually pretty good because that was actually my first party, so I'm gonna put that in A tier. But also, on the pretty good. I'm just gonna say there's not enough wonder into the one in Bentley was not too pretty good, so never got to meet and the top beat here. Full point. Once again, never got to experience it, and same with the St. Patrick's Day party. Okay, so for Mayo Party, there's actually a funny story about that. So, like, there was only one that I actually got to see. I enjoyed it, so I'm gonna put that one in A tier. Kim Violent, that same situation again. Now, Halloween Party, I think most of them are B tier. Cause the two. I enjoyed the snow party. Seems like a possible play, so I'm just gonna put this over here. There, like, the only pair I've been to was the amusement park one. Pretty awful, in my opinion. Okay, so now, the holiday party, I actually been to. 2013, 2015, 2016. Only been to 2. Okay, but the party, it's basically the same thing as two. Same with the mountain region. Meet them. I actually enjoyed most of them. Put in B tier and A tier. But yeah, there's Michael Pimper tier list. Yeah, I have no idea how. Yeah, I'm just gonna click this into the Twitter. So yeah, I linked the video